So, another room tour. We're at the Lexen Hotel North Hollywood. And so, here we go. Standard room. So right upon entering, very spacious, which is great. Also awesome for us because, you know, we shop. So lots of floor space. So 2 lights on either side of the bed, both controlled by the same light switch over here. Sort of these cute little nightstands that I guess are maybe supposed to look like old briefcases. And there's an outlet there right next to that one. Let's see, temperature controls right here, which control the machine over there on the wall, which has a little panel, and if you push the button, it lights up and just tells you, go use the wall panel. So there's the wall panel. Beds, we haven't slept in them yet, but they seem really comfortable so far. They're not spring mattresses like what we had earlier.
Yes.
It's great. Those are rough. And so this is an interesting little device we saw. They combined a phone with like a clock radio, which is kind of interesting. It's got Bluetooth, but it has 2 USB ports in the side, which is awesome. Let's see, this looks like a drawer. It's not, but these 2 down here are drawers. And then a nightstand over here, and then again that outlet, and the ones in the wall are just normal outlets, no USB in those, but there's the 2 in the phone radio. And then this little nook over here is kind of nice. So there's a desk. Okay, I'll turn the lights on. So this is a cool little desk light. It's a touch and it's dimmable, which is great. It's got 2, we believe them to be European plugs. If that's not what they are, we're not sure. But it does have a USB port on one side and a USB port on the other side. So there are 4 total USB ports in the room by itself. And so no enclosed closet, but this sort of closet organizer over here, ironing board, ice bucket, safe, and a smart fridge. So good spot to, you know, hide all your
merch.
stuff. And then the bathroom, it's very nice. We're quite impressed with the bathroom. First of all, it's huge. Definitely tons of space, a beautiful floor. Lots of floor space. And then even the shower. Also a really big shower, nicely tiled, refillables, which is great. And then we'll show you the type of shower head. And then see, other than that, your pretty normal basic amenities. I thought it was kind of nice. They have these little boxes that have like Q-tips and cotton swabs and stuff in them. So if you like those, that's there. And then let's see, the mirror lights up. And then they also have the close-up, the makeup mirror. So yeah, it's really pretty nice. We're pretty happy with it. The biggest takeaway, I think, is just space.
Mm-hmm.
Like, so much just open space, which is great. You won't be on top of each other.
Yes, it's very spacious. This room's great.
Yes, this is nice. We did not know what to expect, but...
And apparently there's a delivery service. If you use Ecotree, you get free delivery and $5 off local favorites. So I thought that was pretty cool for anyone that wants to be able to order out and not walk around the streets of Burbank or Hollywood.
Which is probably a good idea.
Yes.
From some of the things that we've seen. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Nothing like super special, but it's a great room. It's very spacious. Mm-hmm. It's really nice. The lobby area was really nice too, and the girl at the desk was really nice. So far, Lexen Hotel North Hollywood, good pick.
Yeah, not bad at all. All right. See you later.